video am de ba chire ye asin memu Honorable Kennedy Akompreko e Japan the kurum ana ne constituency assemblyman owono bi onoma oye NDC ni assemblyman aye NDC ticket a komu bia ni no ne ba any opportunity ako free SHS ni bi ewie ti assembly assemblyman che senkanya do benye skampo di ahwa akora no SS no but na na danko kufuado ani Dr. Mahmoud Baomi adwene panti no akora ni timi wi SHS wonya 8 A's na di nche me pese me ye video se wo hwe ne se hwe di esi ekire wale busuya for once again me mo bibia kwaba eba monua bema abro GHTV channel so na meda wase se wonya adaje na o hwe video si enem komo me no obedi no ebesi no obehu se former president John Mahama nitimo odin pa. I will not lie to you. You know that on your BSSA ye money ya assemblyman kura bio Ghana because the future of the children na na Danko Kufuado e prove Mahama wrong. NDC ni assemblyman tia you NDC assemblyman ne ba it mean 8 A's etwa and the free SHS me ba betro de ntia me say Mahama timu odin no abusia yankomra right mami chia Mr. George Essien Odru ekrobi o say for ekrobi saying Radio Emilia Italy, right? Radio Emilia I say Italy one or timami chia me nua be man Odru na na Ghana from the friend but ni dia nka say wa da kam ne George Essien am the Mr. Count because or Bema tell him the Mr. Count but ebusua migusua me kai o say ebia efie na opese woto ni yesie wi ni yensin wie ya o frame number na I will be a help meboa mo onye bia to say opese wo sifie no pese wo to asase meboa na wetimi aye etosu bio me next advert am woni ye obi akoku ha no say kuku pa say we say wodie I don't know how to describe kuku because they need yin hukura no eko na eduro no to ba ko pe na obeto but say we ni Ghana na wa abrochire a me ma won to ba ko me mo to mienu ti asem ne yo so wo Ghana say dia ofra me a metimi dia mabasa na card ya bro but o amanone a sa DH na yeri nyama sene no eya na eka wo nti no utomienu uyisu ba ko no onu anwie na enye se nsa no na se ekwa eko odamfo bi huti no betimi di aboa no se enko ya onu ade second one na men kasa wo de enye tu no enye ndwa me I don't believe it yobo sa na nimpa no dada ni pa adwene da bi me say yokokum nko asem na menka sisia na menyanya no we di ekoku advert na me ye di amount say ekoku see fifi to say den frame me mobi na wa uwie so mo twa video we di dance no mo see you abro GHTV so na bigusu amesra say jumedi na yedi no abonte na yekọ say de wa wonim no yekọ abonte na ade nyina no yen risk your life yen fro car yen nye we ni ade ti no yehia mo say de bi di advert ba ya start e di wodwume osu no obi obetim di aba na say number na gusu ni mobile money number skakra osu betim di aboa no then you support them you go abusia ya nim say former president John Dramani Mahama etenase catch it say oye progressively free SHS before kakaka bi progressively o de batwi mo mo kire say omo ye no kakra nti omo start wo baby kakra say enfanko ena na nado say obitimi aye if he's given the opportunity ena Ghana for ebisa John Mahama say na de jina na nado so obitimi aye na wo de wo say o ye ne kakra o ntimi nye because a bit may take about 25 to 30 years and summer it me I free SHS. Then I Ghana for okay. Therefore, but for man na kufad ni anshade. Na na do ba office ni first year eno ye free SHS. Me cancel be see asem so. As I speak to you, in Kola mo wie SHS ni free or more Ghana. Omo bro 1 million. Omo bro kura about the mami fa 1 million keke. Say 3 times in na pona say be a 10 be so be a 2,000 po. No 3,000 times 3 and 9,000. 9,000 times 1 million cry saying. We've gotten a president why is sad you know. Now the funny thing is say last year you were collabi o school na wofu niska omo de beto no so omo mpani fa no e de ne ko amano ne amene o kase owo school abochiri a na results e ba no enya asem ketwa. This is what an opportunity to the youth of Ghana. Say education no ekonomi no oman no etimi educating money ya oman nya bebi gina because oman bia ne no dom na ko school no obie ni te infrastructures industries akase amanfo bebi nyina no amanone bibia mo from ya mo na mo kan me ni mo you are telling me say individuals dey be enyuma na abaya bomo moye. That is how we want Ghana to be. Me per se video by me more video. You know, media when you watch my interviews, about 99% is full of videos. Me need video evidence, I won't do it. Because I've told you I don't know how to lie when it comes to the media. No. Me kind of crime over Tommy, me try and try my dodge and whammy. Video of the baby chile I see name Honorable Kennedy Akumprekun e Japan the Kurum and the constituency assemblyman or NDC ni assemblyman aye NDC ticket I come bia ni me no ne ba any opportunity I could free SHS ni bi ewie ti assembly you assemblyman chesen kanya do be news camp di ahwa akwa no SS no but na na dan kokufu ado ani Dr. Mahmoud ba omi adwene panti no akwa ni timi wi SHS wonya 8 A's na di nche me pese me ye video se wo hwe ni se hwe di esi ekire akola no oye NDC ni ba no sukua oba be ko anese kere Japan board de bua akola no amana ko school no oko Harvard University Harvard no de ne ko every year obetua more than 5 billion every year wa akola no NDC ni ba no NDC ni ama se ma ne mbra na nka assembly man ba wo se go school kon tie fi no senye bas ano wa ko school no free when you 8 A's akola bi see na nka ne shebre ebeka ewfie and honorable Kennedy Japan no ye NPP ni say he is not ready for that banter wey NDC wey NPP no say akola ni ma de enko ade a you push no because David obetwa be professor and a doctor e radin akopon shira wate honorable Kennedy Japan abusia subscribe video no subscribe channel we see mami na share me person you din komo say ya the only campaign you can do to support MPP not supporting abro the minute me I support no any say me more videos na me kind of kwene dey achiro. So what you can also do to support the party, our party bit me atena so say share video no. And you mean so phones so one now for more than 500. Share to them. Let them know the good message. I intend to her. So we will be a cocoa with the din cocoa pa say pass. You kind of pass and say cocoa pa it the din who year from a number no. Oh, I'm an onia me the man through DHL. Oh, Ghana me the man who could carry and bema mwenya. The beer would be and you get it. Call me who the friend me abro. Nye kasatin nye and I run a say cocoa de will be a but to be who you draw some in Sakano. Shawon na se cocoa na nkwa. Makacho say me you be a me ayira. You have every right to do whatever I want to do to me because enya me fa mawo and enya me dia. Ade me papa na me di one dance e dia kire. So me and only be see me so na mato e di amount so that when I do you frakadam me na obeche me video ni se me nko bebia video nfi de enya de nko sha kra mu me Osama Biladu ko eche na enya abo ti se you fie ye nsi wie ye de yesie wie assassin na paton so a frame ebusia ye hwe video no mra
Akufo-Addo free SHS boy Asiniba onya 88 medical school we dia enye bibia nka ho ena legonfo abaye kulukulu bia onya 88 senye Akufo-Addo a enkene abofra yi okwan we me man full scholarship.
Hey, honorable Sophie about
me we are. Ni ame pesa me yamano ni say metro SAT books amano. The person call Harvard Medical School.
Whoa!
Metro school fees in amano. $84,000. But I'm going to pay $84,000.
Mama say honorable.
So we call Harvard Medical School.
Honorable Nyabotre, mami chire mu ye, mesel, eye big, mami chire mu ye. Akwale ogina he. Oye honorable Asopia, eye Dwaso assemblyman ne ba. Oko Legon Presec. Na onya no mako moche. Honorable say, onfani ko school wa Ghana ha. Tieniye o. Onfani ko school wa Hefa Ghana ha. Odini ko USA. Odini ko US. Okoya dokota. Okoya dokota. University papa ewo wiase Yafrano Harvard University. Eho ena ode akola yiko. Sika otua eya $84,000. $84,000. What the bagana schema a brute tiscano every year otua more than 4 billion. 529,000. Eya 5.2 billion. Ena fibia otua ama akwalei. He asemai honorable Onyeyimo. Honorable Onyeyimo. Honorable Sophia ba. Honorable Onyeyimo. Danishaw.
Montie niye. Montie niye. Choboy.
Ye.
Choboy.
Ye. Kasamra from.
Mislamu montie niye. Eye papa ya neba eye abofra yi. Oye NDC ni party. Ewo asin Dwaso. Na ona ye
Kasamra from Yasamo.
Ona ye assemblyman. Basa wuhwa mmodi mo a ne beyabo. Na akoye se mimi ye MPP ni, wo ye NDC ni, enti wo mmoa no a na menye good leader. Intermediate, memfa education there, memfa politics mem. Enti memman scholarship. If say onu ba kunsu kan ho biem.
Me pacho mutia.
When so ya ka free SHS no a monti ase no. Eye akola Okwadi Sadu College. On 7 A's and a B. A cook for the free SHS. Remember, I mean, or a single mother and a worker a colaway. Ama ono so enya 7 A's and a B. Sanya a cook for in a free SHS by ya. And the Sankola way nyano. A B a sabi and Kayaba Hiruomo. And your assemblyman Bonsamba cook for this one.
Hey! Boom, 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 boom.
Education the bar, young politics and them. I was say, Yetimi Boa, young Palano. And maybe the bar, Abiana Union Warding, Oberconway, a doctor. Yes, I see doctor. Now, Wahel. Enti, Abran.
Papa John, we take a photograph of an honorable man.
Right, Akwaba. I mean, we say, why you okay? With seeing some honorable King Japan Kai. Now, the name I want to say, Assemblyman and Kasawati more kind. Very sad. So, John Dramani Mahama is someone who doesn't think about the youth. Ewadi and Aduma, Nico school free Nibiu, our northern region. By then, the father was an important personality to the country. No papa ya buying him penny our Ghana. Oko school northern region free. But ye dey man sika na ye amankwala na akọ no muso mo nyansa e kire bi obi ni wa be MP obi be minister ni ade no John Dramani Mahama si enye. If this is not wickedness, then it is what? Because now don't feel Mali. Now don't feel China. He's a Ghanaian like John Dramani Mahama politician here. Wow, assemblyman Obia, why you campaign Amawa and your assemblyman Reneba. Had it not be like MPP free SHS? Had it not be like Onabukino, Akopra Kujapo, now Jimmy, Jim of Donimpa? Oh, ya doya. Kajomama, Kawabuano. Just show me one MPP guy, ba. And now you administration, show us one pair, can make Jamie Biazoko. Just one. Me who be the man Tibida? Tell you say MPP ni baby enye etwa na Mahama say wa friend wa man scholarship. Show me one video, just one video. Me pay voice, me pay video. So you saw what the assemblyman said. Na akola ba ko no kan no so no. Me maame ba ko pe. Maame ba papa no maame ba ko pe se na ti hwa akola no. Ono so nya 7 A's under free SHS. Kola ni suye de no ko treasure amsa na Mahama ba. I atapepers around. Then this one they have passed. All this your lies, you know. I will bring it down. Ghanaians will watch me, they will share my videos, and I'll tell you, say, everybody in Ghana will know your lies. I will say, subscribe, Abro GHTV. Now share, mommy. Share video. Let everybody get this video because free SHS, you know, everybody's family, obi ebushemu, obi kobi. Nina your mind is sick near day. Nanka yemfa toka ama emaba wa bi ni fiefie ma mbaba wo bi na omundi se no. It will never work. It will not enye dwuma. Enye dwuma. Show me next video.